Good morning. So today I'm at a beautiful cottage actually at a place, it's actually called Algae. Just show you around. So nice quiet lane. So we'll have a walk around. So I'll show you what we're dealing with here. So as you can see, this is the wall, and the red streaks. Now a lot of people think that's salt, or I mean, this chap here thought it was the mesh behind the render, but I'll just show you a bit closer. So here we've got lichens, the red is an algae, and then we've got mould here, so this black here. So on Saturday I actually came to do a test patch, so this is the test patch that I did here. You can see that this wall is really heavily contaminated. And what we've got here really, again, this is red algae. We've got lichens, which is here. There's mould, bacteria, all sorts. And obviously the chimney is quite badly stained. It'd be interesting to see how well the chimney cleans up, because if that's carbon on there, then that won't clean quite as well as the wall. But so I've treated this bit here, and you can see that the algae has actually gone brighter red. It's basically a carotene that is released by the algae to protect itself. Here. And I've done the chimney. The chimney might be a little bit more difficult because I'm not sure whether that's carbon at the top, but once I've steam cleaned it, we'll see. We'll put a couple of treatments on. wall. So I treated it first and then hot washed it at 80 degrees, and it's still drying out now actually, but I then put a biocide on it, really mainly for that chimney up there. It did clean up, but it will keep getting better. So it's looking quite good, and again that's been treated with a biocide. So thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, and if you could subscribe, that really helps. So I'll see you on the next one.